That's now the setup. I already put the bracket in. Now I'm going to put the battery inside here in this terminal. See how I connected this? That's the garage clearance. The garage is open right now. So you will see I will install all the proper electrical connection. The wire goes there. That's a bracket. And then I'm gonna plug this unit there, about that light. And there you go. That's the unit. So we're almost done. All I need to know to do is set up the wiring, and then hopefully this will operate good. I'm going to install the on and off button there in that side. Okay, so that's the view now. See, that's the garage opener. You see how the difference? This is the one that I installed. This is the old unit that comes with the house. Big difference, huh? Mine is nice.